First, check that the small hole in the top disc is not clogged. Then, fit the oil pairing disc and level ring with O-ring into the top disc. Make sure that the pairing disc is positioned in the right direction. Fit the top disc onto the distributor. The drilled assembly mark on the top disc must face the guide lug on the ball body. Check that the O-ring and the seal ring of the ball hood are properly fitted and lubricated. Fit the lifting tool to the ball hood and lift it using hoist. Then, lower the ball hood straight down onto the disc stack, otherwise it may get stuck. Check that the guide recess in the ball hood enters the guide lug in the ball body. Remove the lifting tool